The Paris Plan. Bonjour and welcome to the Paris Plan. Here are 5 things I'd recommend that you do in Montmartre. 1. Discover the history of Montmartre with its windmills, ganguettes and impressionist painters at the Musée de Montmartre. 2. After checking out the sensational views in front of the Sacré-Cœur, walk behind the Basilica to really appreciate the detail of the magnificent architecture. 3. Lunch under a windmill at the Moulin de la Galette, immortalised by Auguste Renoir in his 1876 painting. 4. Meet the artist in Place des Têtes. I particularly love the work of Jean-Jacques Duverger. I'm back. Moi, c'est celui-là que je me souviens que j'ai vu la dernière fois. Ça prend combien de temps de faire?
Quelques heures, 3-4 heures.
5. Say je t'aime behind the metro abyss at the I love you wall, where love is declared in 300 different languages. Take a photo. It's a much better option than vandalising the city with those love locks. Please don't do that. Extra tip. You can also take my free self-guided walking tour to discover the cobblestone back streets, the cafes, the sculptures, the parks, the vineyards and the vistas. So have fun and à bientôt.